In merchant services, you're helping save them money. You're helping build customer loyalty. Think about all the other people that are in those stores, in those places that swipe cards, right? Payroll, right? Go find a payroll company that doesn't do merchant services, right? I'll get them over from you over to Paychecks. You introduce them to me on the swipe. Boom, it's a mutually beneficial symbiotic relationship. Well, Brian, what cards should I be looking for? Where do you guys, if they've got this old particular type of swipe device and it doesn't have the Prox reader on it, that's right up in my wheelhouse. On payroll, what should I be asking them? Right? Ask them who their payroll provider is. If they say it's XYZ or ABC, it's right in my wheelhouse. Say something good about me. I just pulled that out of my butt, okay? But you got to sit and think, who else would benefit from landing these accounts that wouldn't take a loss from me? But then you also on the backside need to manage this relationship. Otherwise, it's going to go nowhere and no party's going to benefit, or you're going to send them some stuff and they're going to be that person that just takes your stuff and does nothing. But be real careful and really think, because you don't want this to be a parasitic relationship where you're flowing them people and then they're giving the leads to Stripe and they're also giving them your intelligence. You got to really bake through this and make sure that there's not a parasite in there. If you work in sales and you're serious about your career, I'm going to give you $300 right here, right now, to close more deals. Did we just become best friends? I think so. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching system in the world. One little tiny piece of that sales coaching system is our mini masterclass on closing. It's $300. But I'm gonna cover the cost for you right now. I've set some money aside out of our marketing budget. If you click the link here, I will text you a code where you can go and grab the mini masterclass on closing. I'm gonna cover all of the cost for you. You pay nothing. There's no commitment on your end. My hope is that you close so much more business, you come and join us over at Easton University, but that choice is yours. If you want to double, triple, quadruple your closing right now, click the link. I will text you a code to get the Easton University mini masterclass on closing right here, right now, and I'm going to cover all the cost for you. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.